Hey everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing an iPhone 12 Pro Max. By the way, this is my second video in 8K, so let's get to it. Got the box here. Here's the pull tab. There it is. There's the back of it. There's the box. Very nice. Very, very nice, as usual. Cold to the touch, stainless steel, very heavy. One Apple sticker and no charging brick or headphones, but I don't need any of those. Perfect. Let's turn it on for the first time. Well, that's getting started. I'm going to grab my old iPhone and let's transfer stuff. Okay, there's my old iPhone. Let's start this one up. English, United States. There it is. Continue. The blob. I'm going to enter my passcode. It just says to finish on new iPhone. Now it's activating. It's already connected to Wi-Fi. Really love this phone. I love this design. Okay, I'll wait for it to activate. Okay, it's time to set up Face ID. Transfer from phone. Agree. Continue. Apple Watch, yep. I don't want to share audio recordings. Don't share analytics. Because why would I? I guess download and install the update on 5G right here. I'm going to download it over Wi-Fi. Alright, I'll be back when the update's done. Finally back. This took forever. It's reconnecting now. Almost there. Now it's finally transferring. There we go. It's all set up now. Finally. Well, let's unlock it. And there we go. All done. Thank you guys for watching my video on unboxing the new iPhone 12 Pro Max 256 Graphite.